Hello kids, I'm back with my planter hands. Yay! Now I'm going to teach you how to make a garden head planter pot using recycled materials. I've pre-made some of them here. This is one with in the form of a human being. I have also made one like a little creature dressed up in a dress with pearls. You can also have them as animals. Here I have one that is like a shape of a rabbit. Right? It's pretty easy to make and it won't take you more than 15 minutes to get it done with the help of your mommy and daddy. So let's jump right into it now and introduce the materials that is needed for the garden head planter pot. Right? So first of all, the items needed to do the craft will be a pair of scissors. I have two scissors here, a big one for mommy and daddy to use if they are doing it for you. The other one is a smaller safety scissors just for you if you are doing the cutting by yourself, right? Next, we have a woohoo glue, which is a liquid glue. You may also use stick glue or craft glue or water glue. It's up to your preference, okay? And the third item will be some felt cloth or scrap pieces of cloth that you may have lying around your house. If your mommy sews, you definitely will have some scrap pieces of cloth around that you can use to make t-shirts or skirts like this one. Okay, and some cardboards which you need to use to cut off round circles for the eyes. If you don't have cardboards, you can also stick on googly eyes or you can use bottle caps as eyes. Finally, last but not least, the most important material for this craft session will be pots. Okay, you can have use some yoga pots, which I have here, big one and small one, it's up to you. You can also use drink cartons such as this, or milk cartons, or even glass bottles. Okay, none of the materials that I have used here are bought, they are all recycled, so they have food in them. Clean them out before you use them and dry it properly, right? It's good, cheap and simple. Now let's get cracking into making the garden head planter pots. First of all, I'm going to use this drink carton here. Today I'm going to do a cat planter pot. So first thing I'll do is to trace out the ears onto the carton itself with a marker pen, right? And then what you're going to do is to take your scissors and cut out the shape of the ears as well as along the edge of the carton. I'm not going to cut through the whole thing. I've already pre-made one, so let me show it to you. This is my pre-made carton with the ears being cut out and painted. Okay, you can paint it with poster colors or even using markers as well, like this, okay, or magic ink, and you can fill it in with any color you want. Maybe a black cat or a white cat or a spotted cat. It's up to you, right? And up to your imagination. So after we've colored it in, next thing we're going to do is to put up the eyes. So I've using the circles that I've cut out and I've filled it in with the color of the cat eyes. So you can use it green, you can fill it with blue, right? And then what we're going to do next is to take our liquid glue, pop some of it at the back, one of the eyes, and then just stick them onto the side of the carton like so. And I'll do the same for the other eye as well. Pop some glue at the back and stick them onto the right, and voila, the cats have its eyes now, you can see. Okay, next, before we draw the features, I'm just going to decorate it. Here I have a felt piece of cloth which cut into thin strip. This is going to be the collar for the cat. Okay, so what you're going to do is to take this thin strip and go around the carton, okay, and then put some glue at each of the ends, of the strip and stick it down like so. Okay, and after that, and there you go, your cat has a nice red collar. You can do it with whatever color felt you want, red or black or green. Okay, you can also take the another round circle and color it, and this could be the bell that goes onto the collar. If not, you can draw it on like what I will do later on. So next, I'm just going to fill in the features. So I'm going to take my pink marker first. Right, I'm going to draw the cat's nose. Okay, a little triangle in the middle of the carton. Give it a little pink nose. This is actually the favorite part of the cat that I like the most. It's pink nose. And then you take a black marker after that and you draw its mouth. So just give it a little bit of a smiley mouth here, and you can even add on whiskers on both sides. Okay, there you go, 3 whiskers on each side, and there you have it. The cat has this feature. Now I'm going to draw a little bell for its collar. I'm going to take a yellow marker here and then add on a bell in circle form. Yep, here we go. Color it in, and that's it. You have a bell for your cat. Simple as that. Right, we are done. Okay, so in order to let the water run through after you put your plants and seed, make some holes at the bottom, and you can use the pot lids, as a plate so that the water can drip through after you water the plant. And then to fill it up with fertilizers, and you put your seeds in there. You can put all kinds of seeds. You can plant all kinds of plants, like tomatoes, ginger, garlic, or kangkong plants, okay, in a big pot or a small ponter pot like that. Okay, so to get our little sustainability hero started, we're going to give you a free kangkong pack of seeds. So what you can do is just to email us at create8sustainability@pacificlight.com.sg. Tell us you want a pack of kangkong seeds, and we will send it to you to help you start your planter pot. Okay, simple as that.